In this video, we're going to talk about how do you add an announcement to the stream. What does that look like and why would you want to do that? So the stream is the first landing page that your students see. So this is the page that's sitting right here. If you want to add an announcement, you just need to click where it says share something with your class. So you just click on that, and from here it looks almost like when you're adding an assignment. You can choose which classes you want to have it see this announcement, or you can actually choose which students you want to have see this announcement. You can share various means of information on this. You can add things like, for instance, test, reminder, test is on Tuesday. And then you can add, we'll be covering like chapter 3, something like that. You can also, just like an assignment, add anything from Google Drive. You can add a link, you can add a file, you can add a YouTube video. If you want to take a quick survey of your class, you could add like a Google form from there. Then you can actually have a choice the same as assignments when you want to post. So you could post it right away if you want to. You could schedule it just like before. You can choose a date. So if you know your test is going to be on Tuesday, let's say August 11th, then I go ahead and do that, and I can say schedule it at 8 a.m. or maybe I want to schedule it the Monday night before so that the kids can see it, and I can change this time to like 3 p.m. and it will schedule that in. So once I have it scheduled, it's not going to show up here, but it is, you can see it says saved announcement. So I got one thing sitting in there, and if I click on this, I can see that this is going to go out into my stream on August 10th at 3 p.m. If I don't want that, I can just trash it. So that is how you can add stuff into your stream if you want to give kids like certain reminders on different stuff. So that is using your stream.